Is this fake? You know, a lot of people like to act like they're cops.
Federal agent.
Oh, right. Where's the ID? Let's check the ID. Do me a favor.
Federal agent.
When a routine traffic stop turns into an intense confrontation between a local cop and a federal agent, things quickly spiral out of control. But who's really in the wrong here? At first, everything seems normal. The officer approaches the vehicle and asks the driver to lower all the windows. But pay attention to his tone. It's aggressive right from the start.
Open the window for me all the way, please. Put the phone down. Put the phone down. Can you do me a favor? Open all the windows.
What?
Open all the windows.
Why do you want me to open all the windows?
I need you to open all the windows for me right now. Anybody else in this vehicle?
Oh, there's nobody else in the vehicle, but you get out and let me know.
Okay.
I'm recording.
All right. You know why I'm pulling you over right now?
Yeah, why?
Okay, I'm pulling you over because I saw you. I was driving behind you. I don't know if you noticed. You were swerving. You didn't indicate your turn signal. Okay, you can record all you want. I mean, I don't know what you're doing there, but you're looking up. You're looking up.
The driver, calm and composed, begins recording, which is perfectly legal. But the officer's attitude quickly turns hostile, making inappropriate comments and calling the driver names. This is where things start to escalate.
You can record all you want. I mean, I don't know what you're doing there, but you're looking up. You're looking up. You little weirdo.
Making sure.
Do me a favor. Open up all the windows. Blah blah. Let's go.
Open up all the windows for you.
Sir.
But
Why
yeah,
are you making this difficult?
So tell me again why you.
You want me to make your life difficult?
So tell me
Because I love making people's lives difficult.
Really?
There you go. I just did that. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. Okay. So, now, license, registration, proof of insurance.
You're gonna need
Can
to
you
tell me
get
why
off your phone?
Listen,
Your little TikTok thing?
Listen, can you tell me why you put me on?
I just did. Are you
Matter of
deaf?
fact, can you call your supervisor?
Are you deaf?
You call your supervisor?
Oh, there's no supervisor.
There's no supervisor.
No, there is no supervisor. I'm the most senior officer on the road right now.
All right, listen.
So,
I'll tell you what
I would be said supervisor.
I'm gonna let you listen to my music.
Okay, so that's how we're going to play. All right, step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle for me.
Listen.
Okay, put the phone down.
Listen.
Hold on. Actually, you know
Listen.
what? Do you have any weapons on? Do you have anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car?
Listen.
Do you have anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car? You're gonna make this. You're gonna make this difficult.
Can I step out the vehicle?
Can you
then?
just
listen?
answer the question first?
I'll step out the
Keep your
vehicle
hands
for you.
on-
Instead of maintaining professionalism, the officer resorts to insults. This raises red flags, as law enforcement officers are trained to de-escalate situations, not provoke them.
Anything you're not supposed to have on you in the car? You're gonna make this. You're gonna make this difficult.
Can I step out the vehicle?
Can you
then?
just
listen?
answer the question first?
I'll step out the
Keep your
vehicle
hands
for you.
on the wheel.
I'll step out the
Listen
vehicle
to me.
for you.
Follow my directions, and this can go very easy.
Listen, sir.
Listen,
Do you
sir.
want me to get out the car or you don't?
I want you to follow my directions like you just did, like
Okay,
a good boy.
I'm
All right?
I'll follow your directions.
Okay.
Now, did you want
Do
me
you
to get out the car
have
or
any
you don't?
weapons or anything you shouldn't have in the vehicle or on your person at this moment?
No.
No.
Nope.
Okay. Do you have a firearm on you?
Things take a dangerous turn when the driver mentions he has a firearm. While legally carrying, the officer's response is far from appropriate. Notice how the officer immediately assumes the worst, calling the driver a gangbanger.
You have a firearm on you. Do you have a license to carry a firearm if you do?
Are we in Florida? Even if I
Sir,
did have a license on me, you
answer
don't
my
even
question.
need
What is this back
to have
and
what
forth?
you're talking
Okay,
about.
get out of the vehicle. Okay.
All right, listen.
Hands over here.
I got a gun
Hands over
right here on my side.
Okay, put your hands up then.
I got a gun on my side.
Okay.
Despite the driver informing the officer about his license to carry, the officer proceeds to search him aggressively. This raises serious concerns about profiling and excessive use of authority.
Okay.
All right, listen.
Hands over here.
I got a gun
Hands over
right
here.
here on my side.
Okay, put your hands up then.
I got a gun on my side.
Okay.
Can you do me a favor?
626, I'm gonna have it totally mailed.
Listen,
Now
look
listen
at my
to me.
shirt.
Rush
Listen,
that back up.
while you're searching me,
Spread your feet out.
while you searching
feet
me,
out.
sir,
Put your feet out.
while you searching me,
Where's the
could you
gun?
please,
Where's the gun?
On my
Where's the
right, right hand. On my right hand.
For my safety and your safety, we're gonna do this today, okay?
Hey, make sure when you do that, while you're searching me,
You got big muscles, huh?
my gun is right on my chest.
Oh, wow. Oh, on your chest, huh? So we're lying today. Are you a gangbanger? Is that what you're doing here? You're selling drugs?
This is me.
Oh,
No.
okay.
Okay.
Don't
I'm
move.
sitting in the parking lot.
Don't move. You have a license to carry this?
We're in Florida, right?
But, do you have a shot?
I sure enough do.
Okay.
You know what?
It's called a, hey buddy,
It's around my neck.
it's called a concealed carry permit.
Listen, my license is around my neck.
Oh.
I carry it around my neck.
Okay. Well, first let's see what else you got. See, you're lying a bit. Hey, didn't I spread your feet apart? Spread your feet apart, huh? Fucking scared. Oh, shit.
This is what we're doing?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Listen, can you make sure you get my
What is this?
can you make sure you get my license to carry? My license to carry on my chest.
Is this fake? You know, a lot of people...
Now here's where things get interesting. The driver reveals that he's a federal agent, and suddenly the entire tone changes. The officer's arrogance quickly turns into embarrassment.
Is this fake? You know, a lot of people like to act like they're cops.
Federal agent.
Oh, right. Where's the ID? Let's check the ID. Do me a favor.
Federal agent.
Okay.
So now my badge don't even make a
Lean
difference.
against the car. Lean against the car. Lean against the car. So you're a cop. So why wouldn't you tell me?
It seemed like you fraudulently pulled me over.
You been drinking today?
Drinking, sir. We don't drink.
I smell alcohol emanating from the vehicle.
Actually, we're doing an investigation on.
Okay.
And just what? You just happened to pass.
216. Status of that back up.
You just happened to pass.
Okay.
So when your sergeant gets here and he realizes what's going on right now.
What's going on is that I stopped.
And
I stopped.
the badge don't make
Why
a
are you
difference.
yelling? Where's the? Okay. So I found your ID.
Because here I have a cop
why are
who's
you
doing
being
some
difficult
things
today?
that's wrong. Tell me why, as a police
Why are you
officer,
shouting?
tell me why another police officer in handcuffs.
You didn't identify
Over a
yourself.
swerve?
You didn't identify yourself as a police officer. You were swerving. You didn't indicate your turn signal.
Once again, sir, you didn't call your sergeant here neither.
There's
so
no
there's the
sergeant.
things that we supposed to do here, right?
Okay. All right. Let me get these off of you, buddy. I don't know why you're being like this. I don't know why you're being like this.
I don't know what y'all got going on here.
What y'all got going on?
I'll tell you what.
You know, you could.
The officer, realizing his mistake, tries to backtrack. But it's too late. The damage has already been done. This kind of behavior could have led to a dangerous situation. The federal agent handles the situation calmly, but this incident highlights the critical need for proper training and accountability in law enforcement. This could have ended very differently.
You
We as agents, we're gonna figure it out. You know, we don't like city cops. You know that, right?
Okay, yeah, we don't like
The
federal
agents,
cops either.
agents don't like city cops.
We're alphabet
we don't
cops.
consider ourselves cops.
What are you, a pencil pusher? Man? Come on. Listen,
I
you could
will
have
put
just.
the pencil
I
on
pulled you
you.
over. You could have just identified yourself as a police officer, and this would have been done.
There was no
I
reason
would
to
have
pull
said.
me
You know
over.
what? I would have said. Of course there was.
When I showed you my badge and you grabbed my badge, you still didn't believe it was real.
Because people impersonate officers all the time.
Okay.
Do they not?
When I see a
They don't-
sergeant,
they
I'll
don't
make
teach
sure.
you
When I see your sergeant, we'll make sure.
Well, we don't have to go that far. Okay.
No, we won't. We'll go farther than that.
Oh, okay.
We'll make sure we talk to them. We'll make sure we do a lot of things on this. I'm pretty sure you probably have other offenses against you. But you have a nice day, and I continue on having mine.
Listen.
I appreciate you, sir.
Listen.
Sir, I appreciate you.
In the end, the situation was resolved without violence, but it raises important questions about how officers handle encounters, especially when the person they stop knows their rights. What do you think? Was this officer out of line? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to see more real-life police encounters analyzed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned.